AI isn't just for techies or big business. It's your shortcut to scalable income, and I'm about to prove it. Hey, wellness pros, let me ask you this. What if your business didn't just survive, but actually created multiple streams of income, all without burning you out? You don't need to hustle harder. You need smarter systems. And that's where AI comes in. Today, I'll show you how to use AI to create multiple revenue streams inside your wellness business, even if you're just getting started. Most coaches and wellness entrepreneurs rely on one-on-one sessions to make money. And let's be real, that model has a ceiling. You're trading time for income. And if you stop, the income stops too. But when you bring AI into your business, you unlock the ability to scale. We're talking digital products, online courses, memberships, group coaching, and evergreen content that sells while you sleep. How nice is that? Let me break down a few examples and how AI makes it easy. Have you considered ebooks or guides? You can use AI to outline, write, and format a downloadable ebook or wellness guide in a day. Boom, instant digital product. How cool is that? Super easy. You also have online courses. Don't know where to start? AI can help you plan your course modules, write your scripts, and even generate visuals. Now your wisdom becomes a scalable asset. How cool is that? You also have email funnels that sell for you. Want to sell on autopilot? AI helps you write a welcome series, nurture emails and sales sequences that convert leads into buyers. This is huge. I love that. Also, group programs or workshops. AI can help you outline your curriculum, build your registration pages, and even automate follow-ups. This is big. Affiliate marketing or partnerships. Another example. Use AI to generate blog content, product reviews, or client-focused resources that include affiliate links to products you trust. This is big. You want to share those things that you like, right? Other people are going to need them or like them too. You have so much wisdom, experience, and passion to share. AI just helps you multiply that across platforms, products, and people. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need a system and support. That's exactly what we give you inside the AI Wellness universe. So subscribe, follow along, and start building a business that works for you, not the other way around.